Voiceover. Ever wondered what it feels like to hold a stack of cash in your hands? Picture this. Ordinary individuals grasping onto thick wads of money, their faces mirroring the brilliance of their fortunes. Each a testament of success, representing the extraordinary within the ordinary. This isn't fantasy, but tangible reality. Now envisage this, because the most thrilling part is yet to come. This could be you. Yes, you. Welcome to our channel, where we turn dreams into reality. Stay tuned, we're about to unveil secrets to making quick cash, anywhere from $50 to $500 in just an hour. Catch this, you can make $50 to $500 in 1 hour. Intrigued, right? Commence by marketing your expertise on web platforms. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. These sites offer a marketplace to monetize your abilities. Graphic designer, writer, coder. There's a market for every skill. Moving forward, engage in paid surveys or evaluate websites. Swift and straightforward, and it compensates. And don't forget about investments. Cryptocurrency, stocks, flipping goods on the internet, they demand insight, but the returns are often remarkable. It's an ever-evolving digital world, and opportunities are ripe, just waiting for you to seize them. So don't delay. Remember, time is money, so get started.